Hi guys, welcome to Vlogmas day 21. Yes, day 21. We have football today. I had to run some errands this morning. My collar is all a mess. I'm wearing my warm clothes. This is fleece lined, so hopefully it'll keep me warm. I had to go to Home Depot. I needed one more of that S-hook. And then I ran into Target to get cups because I'm bringing hot chocolate for my team. And I always peruse the meat section. And they had these steaks for half price. And these are Black Angus New York strips. And they were $7.50 a piece. So, that's a good price on steak. I'm freezing them because I'll eat them later, and that was a good price. I got these little teaspoons. I think next year they'll be fun in my little office gift with the tea. I can put a little spoon in. They were $3. I'll go back after Christmas and maybe I'll find some on clearance. And then the coffee was buy one get one half price. And, not knowing what's going to happen with all these tariffs and imports and stuff, I'm stocking up on coffee. I'm going to drink it anyway. But I got, both of them are gingerbread. And I freeze my coffee. And it lasts a good long time. Excuse me in my nose. And then I picked up, this is from the Marks and Spencer line that they have at Target. Marks and Spencer is a UK store I got in London many a time. And I just love these cards to mail out or to do some crafting with. And these were, I think, $4.20. They were marked down. Again, maybe I'll go back after Christmas. But Target is almost out of all of their Christmas stuff. So they're not going to have a big clearance. All right, I'm going to make some tea. And I put in here 2 of my sweeteners, and I bought some Tirani. Make sure it's not dripping over here. I bought this on Amazon. It's Tirani sugar-free caramel sauce. Now, it's not like no carbs. I have to be very careful with it. Oh, apparently I'm in a gingerbread mood. My cousin bought me this tea, and it's loose leaf. So I put a decent amount in my brewer. It's black tea, cardamom, sugar and spice and everything nice. Black tea, carrot, ginger, cardamom pops, clove buds, cardamom seeds, date cubes, pink peppers, natural flavoring, and stevia. It's not sweet though. And then my little spoon. For that, I need to take this upstairs. Last night, my neighbor and I watched Red One. Oh my gosh, that was really good. I really enjoyed it. I mean, Christmas movies, you know. You gotta love the Christmas movie. But I liked it, and I felt like it was definitely family friendly, but not babyish, if that makes sense. Like, your older children are gonna kind of, they're gonna enjoy it as well. Krampus is involved, but not, it was a little, I'm not gonna say scary, but it was a little dark, but definitely I would say family friendly. But hey, I don't have kids, what the heck do I know? I'm trying to open these while we stand here and talk, because yesterday they took me a minute to get the hooks undone, and I'm trying to go upstairs as soon as my water boils. And I got a Temu crafting haul, and I'm going to open it with you. And we're going to go through everything that I purchased. The reason that this is irritating me is because this plastic is stuck to these hooks. And it did take me a hot minute yesterday to unhook them all. I only need one freed at this juncture. I hope that Home Depot's like, you're back? Yes, I'm back. So I was there yesterday. Did I show you what I got yesterday? Probably not. I picked up S-hooks from my craft room. But I also picked up some toolboxes, 3 different sizes. I was just going to get the one large size, and it was $24 because I needed something to put my my drill. I have a cordless drill. So I needed a couple things. I needed a toolbox for that, and I needed, because I was keeping it in a rubber tote and it just wasn't fitting. But I also needed, with that, some, I didn't have any screwdriver bits. I had plenty of drill bits for it, but because I bought those when I bought it, but I realized I didn't buy any like screwdrivers. So it's this time of year when they have all the kits out. So I picked up a 40 pack. I'm not drilling furniture. I'm not building houses. I'm, you know, doing little crafty stuff. So it was cheap. It was $10, but it was from a good brand. So we'll see. I've already used them, if that helps, yesterday, and they worked fine. I mean, it is what it is. I have a little Black & Decker cordless drill that I use a lot, and now I have some drill bits to go with, and they were $10. I got 2 sets of S-hooks, which I know I showed you yesterday when I was in my craft space, and I think that was it, possibly. I don't remember. This plastic is driving me bonkers. I wonder if I melt it off, like with a heat gun, or at least heat it up. That's probably what I'm gonna do. And why would they sell a 3-pack and not a 4-pack? Because it sure as heck looked like a 4-pack. All right, well, I'm brewing my tea right now. Takes a couple minutes. Actually, what do the directions say? For every 8-ounce cup, place a tablespoon of tea into an infuser. Steep in hot water for 3 to 5 minutes. Remove and enjoy. For best results, use filtered water. Well, I don't have filtered water. But I do have all the teas in the world, which I love. Some hot tea, especially in the winter time. But now I have black tea leaves all over that. All right, I'm gonna eat something, and then we're gonna go film our Temu haul. I'll be back.